To stop the muskox from being harassed, they decided to take drastic action. The male muskox joked, "If they eat it, they won't eat us." This self-sacrificing act impressed the Arctic wolves, who tearfully devoured the meal, vowing to return when hungry. The muskoxen used their size advantage to form a defensive circle, ensuring they weren't alone when facing wolves. If there were many calves, the herd protected them by forming a tight circle. To avoid attracting bears, the calves stayed low-key. The muskox leader, reflecting on past bear encounters, decided on a strategy: one leader with many partners. But a challenger wanted to be the new leader, and they battled with headbutts. Both felt like they were fighting death itself. The female muskoxen were worried. In the end, the winner became the leader, while the loser wandered away. But failure is just a part of life, and there's always another path, even if it's a dead end. At least the body was warm.